Hello friends, I'm Said. Today I'll clear you what is Pinyin and how to make Pinyin word. Chinese local speaking language all are same but writing has three different part. Traditional Chinese, simplified Chinese and Pinyin. Foreigner mostly use Pinyin. Let's make a Pinyin word. Example: hello, ni hao, ni hao, ni hao. You can see three different writing of hello. We discussed in the previous lesson consonants and vowels. So in this lesson we are learning what is Pinyin. Initial plus final make a Pinyin word. What is initial? Initial are mostly consonant and finals are mostly vowels. C and it's a consonant and I it's a vowels. So initial plus final make a Pinyin word. In the Pinyin we can learn words and speak Chinese. To make Pinyin word we can learn Chinese and speak with Chinese people, no problem. I hope you are clear what is Pinyin and how to use Pinyin. Thank you very much for watching video and subscribe my channel for updated lessons.